Are you ready to turn your leads into paying customers? Now, optimizing your sales funnel can dramatically improve your conversion rate. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, here is a refresher. Now, a sales funnel is a series of steps and approaches that helps guide and turn visitors into paying customers. Yes, you can click here on the description to watch full video on what is a sales funnel, because this particular video is all about how to optimize this sales funnel. Now, let me show you the strategies or how I've been able to optimize my sales funnels for our online business, Leadpreneur Academy, and other online platforms that we run to generate more money from the same clients that we have. Couple of years back, as a small and a beginner business owner, now we struggle with low conversion rates. Though I had sales funnel, but it was still having low conversion rate. We noticed, but by tweaking and optimizing my sales funnel, I saw a 40% increase in conversion rate in just 2 months. And this is exactly what I did. Let me walk you through the steps of what we did in Leadpreneur Academy to be able to allow us increase our sales by 40% in just 2 months. Now, step number 1 is understanding your sales funnel stages. If you don't understand the stages involved in your sales funnel, definitely you won't be able to optimize it and you won't be able to take advantage of your sales funnel. Now, this is it. First, let's look at the breakdown of the stages of a sales funnel. Imagine guiding a potential customer from awareness stage to making a purchase. So this is how it works. Typically, your sales funnel will consist of 4 stages. Stage number 1 is the awareness stage. This is where they get to know firsthand about what your offer is or what your product is about. Then stage number 2 is interest. At the interest stage, at that point, they are thinking about, wow, this is a nice product. I think I like it. I think it's something that I can try. Third stage is they are trying to make decision, which is decision stage. At the decision stage, they are thinking about, should I go for this now or not? Or should I try somebody else? Should I check from other people? They are trying to know what decision to take. The moment they are done with thinking about what decision to make, if they are taking decision to buy from you, they will now go to the action stage. At the action stage, which is the later part of your sales funnel, at that point, they are clicking the button to say, yes, sign me up. I'm taking decision right now and I'm purchasing or I'm buying or I'm signing for this particular offer. And that is how your sales funnel is structured. Now, understanding these stages will help you tailor your strategies at each point. Once you get this done, we'll move to stage number 2. In stage number 2, think about the content you need at every stage of your sales funnel, right? Compelling content that can guide prospects smoothly through the funnel. Now, stage number 2 is all about creating compelling content for each stages. Let's take, for instance, in our platform, the educational platform that we run, we create educational blog posts and video for awareness stage. At that point, we are just putting out content about different stuff in the niche to get people aware about what we do. At the interest stages, we have detailed product guidelines and case studies in order to capture people's interest. Then when it comes to decision stage, the type of content that we put there has to do with testimonials and comparison, right? So we can just, for instance, we can just say, oh, this is how our product is better than other people's products. We list other people's products and our own products and also put testimonial of people using our product and getting benefits out of it. Then at the end of that, we have a call to action. This call to action is very easy, simple to say. It just tells you, click here to apply for your program, right? Click here to apply for the course. After then, it takes you to a checkout process where you can go make payment and all that. Now, that is how to create content for every stage. Different content for different stages of your sales funnel. And that will take us to step number 3. In step number 3, what you need to do is to leverage on email marketing. Now you have people coming in, signing up for school, for application, for course, for programs. But what do you do after that time? Are you just going to leave them knowing that you already have them in your email list, but you are not sending them anything? No, you must leverage on your email marketing, which is step number 3. Now, email marketing is a powerful tool when it comes to you increasing your conversion rate of your sales funnel, because with your email marketing tools, you'll be able to start nurturing your leads. Yes, you nurture them, you send them messages, you send them different information, you send them reminders. Now imagine sending targeted emails that guide your prospect step by step through the funnel, showing them everything about your product, how it's helpful to them, how we can add value to them. That is what your email will do, right? Another thing you need to do when it comes to this stage of leveraging your email marketing is also segmenting your email list based on where prospects are in the stages of your sales funnel. For instance, somebody who is just getting to know you, you can't be sending him information about click here to buy. At that point, you are nurturing, you are telling them, giving them information, educating them about the benefits of your product and how it helps them and improve the quality of their life. Then, when people are in the later stage of your funnel, right, they're already aware of you, they know a lot of things about you, and you can now begin to send them messages about taking action and testimonials and all that. That is how you structure your email marketing. After your email marketing, you will go to step number 4. Now, step number 4 is very important. This is where you turn your data into money, right? You turn your data into money. What do I mean? At this stage, what I do is I begin to use retargeting ads. People who are already in contact with me, who know me, who have seen what I have to offer in one way or the other, they've not already made action, I begin to retarget them with retargeting ads. Yes, so to bring them back so that they can get to take action and convert immediately. But when you begin to use platforms like Google Ads, Facebook to retarget these visitors, before you know it, you are going to convert them into buying customers. And that is where retargeting is very, very important at this stage of your marketing funnel. To retarget them, to get them back, to remind them of your product, and to get them to continue from where they left off while they were on your site the other time. After retargeting, you move to stage number 5. And this is the last stage. Stage number 5 is all about analyzing and optimizing your performance. Now, regular analysis and optimization are key to improving your sales funnel. Imagine continuously tweaking your strategy based on data and the insight you receive. The moment you notice that these guys, every time they come, they drop off at this particular stage, you will say, oh, right? I know what to do. At that stage, you will just begin to tweak that particular stage of a funnel. If you discover that the content is not really driving traffic, it's not really getting them to continue, they don't like it, you begin to tweak that part, right? When you discover that when people get to the testimonial aspect of it, it's just a picture and it's not converting very well, you change your testimonial to video testimonials. That is how you begin to optimize, analyze and optimize your performance of your sales funnel. If you can do this properly, I'm telling you, you are going to be making so much money without even getting new clients. Now, to do this, use tools like Google Analytics, CRM softwares to track your performance, metrics, and every stage of your sales funnel. This will help you to identify the bottlenecks and area for improvement so that you can test different strategies to see which strategy works best for you. Now, by understanding all these stages in your sales funnel, let me tell you the truth. You have only one option. The option you have is to keep making more sales. You can't do this stop from stage number 1 to stage number 5 and not be making more sales in any of your products or services. So if you're a coach, you're a business owner, you're a freelancer, whatever thing you're doing, you are selling digital products online, you are a healthpreneur, you're into the health niche, you are a contentpreneur, you're into content creation and you are selling digital products, or you are a craftpreneur, you have something you're doing with your hands and your expertise, you're putting it online, this is what you must do to optimize your funnel. If you need any help with this, hit the link to have a free meeting with me and we'll discuss about your strategies for free, right? For free, and let's have your business up and running. Now, the moment you have this done, the next thing you need to do now is to go and create a powerful product and services for business. In case you don't already have a product, click here, go and watch how to create a digital product that you can now start to use a sales funnel to sell digital products. Or you can go and watch the other video that I did before about how to create the sales funnel. Use it to create your own sales funnel before you move to the next step. See you in the next video, guys.